Look at this huge structure. So this is since 1917. Studying, they have to study like that. Hello Edwins, very good morning and welcome back to the channel. So this is your rider Puneet. From today onwards there will be daily vlogs. That is the challenge I have taken from my side. From today onwards till 100 days there will be daily vlogs. The problem is that I have to get up early in the morning and I have to do the vlogging. That is a problem. After getting the bad voice, sorry for that. So I've taken my bike and I've left. I don't know which place to go. I'll be ending in some place, but we'll check in to some of the hills, I think so. There are so many places which I even eventually don't know, which is there actually in Tumkur. I've just planned to go to Siddaganga mutt, so that is the nearby places. So I've got only less time, that is a problem. I have to reach back home by 8 o'clock or 8:30, where I have to go to my work again. I can't climb the mountains as well, so that's the reason I'm going nearby. If I've left by 6 o'clock, I would have reached the destination early and I would have climbed the things properly. Sorry guys for the voice which I'm actually talking. This is how it looks like. So this is the entrance actually. We'll be going from the other side. Probably there is the entrance, I believe. So this side nobody is allowed. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Do like, do comment. From today onwards you'll be expecting a lot of new things from my side. Yes, this side it's opened. I don't know whether they're going to allow, because I can see watchmen are there. Yes, they are allowing everyone. Not at all a problem. Yes. See how students are actually, getting reading things, studying. They have to study like that. Early in the morning they have to get up, they have to study. So this is the bank. From here they'll not allow the vehicles. I'll park my vehicle somewhere else. Please wait. People from all over Karnataka, they come here. That is the best thing, because thousands and thousands of people are fed each and every day. Can you see? Can you look at that? How students are studying early in the morning. They have to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. They have to keep studying. Students from all over the Karnataka come there in order to study. Look at that. If you can look at that, look at this point where small kids are studying. Look at this huge structure. So this is since 1917. This is a school actually. This is all the residential schools. So from this part to that part, if you can see that is the residential school. And students are already studying. I don't know what they're teaching, but many students are there. If you can see the cow over there, it's been even sitting and listening to the lecture what they're giving. If you can visit this place, it's really totally a beautiful place. You can come visit here. So let's take a pic for thumbnail. There is no such restrictions. So there are countless success stories for the students who have studied here. We won't have option to bring our bikes here. Once the fair starts, we can have this option to bring all our vehicles or something here, but now they have literally closed everything because no fairs. Fair will be actually held in February, or when the Shivratri festival starts. At that time he'll be literally having that fair. Take the camera out there, so I'll be showing it to you from here itself. People believe that Shri Sukumar Swamiji was an human god. The walking god. Because the reason behind that was he was feeding something around thousands of people each and every day. So that's the reason they just call him in a such way. I don't know what's the time. So let's check the time. It's 7:30. So DV bike ka vlog aa gaya. So DV's vlog is there in Kannada. Okay, let's change this exhaust actually. So let's head back home. Let's get ready. And what do you want inside this? Everything is available. And Tumkur is famous for this point only. So there is one more road where the temple is there actually, and we'll not be heading towards because it's already getting late. So we'll go towards that road. Even I have to get ready for the work as well. So that's the reason I have to leave early. See, look at that, how students are studying. So groceries are entering inside. People from all over the world send their donations or whatever it is called as, so tribute or in way of responding to them. So they send all their monies, and that is how the mart is fed actually. Let's reach home on time and let's get ready and get back to the work. So hope you have enjoyed the vlog, guys. Take care, bye bye, see you, Chabak care. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. If you have not yet like the video. If you have not yet commented, if you have not commented, please do comment. And if you have not seen my previous vlogs, go see, check out. I've done amazing contents according to me, but I don't know about others. I've done a great contents. I've shown a lot of things, and I've done camping as well, single day camping. I've done many other stuffs I've done. Please go check out.